Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delay animation here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, you just have to follow the instructions here and you're good to go. In Adobe Express, you can add a delay to your animations to control when elements appear or start animating. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section, wherein you can find thousands of inspiring templates to begin your work. But if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click the button right here. I'm going to start the delay of animation in this design because, as you can see, I have an amazing video at the bottom and a video at the background. All right, for me to be able to delay the animation, all right, so we have a couple of things. Number one is I'm going to click the video right here. You see there's going to be a speed, right now it's 150%, and for me to be able to delay that, all I have to do now is click the speed all the way through right here, 25% slower. If we try to play that, you see, and you'll notice that it's like lagging or stuttering, but actually the speed was decreased. All right, now not only you can do that to your video, you can also add it to your photos. All right, because if you go to the animation, if you want to say, for example, type in an animation for a glow, you see that you can also do that. All right, and if you go to the animation glow in, you have the option to in and loop out. All right, so these are going to be some of your options. I have also a video at the background right here, so I'm going to adjust the speed all the way to 25%. And if I click all of them together to see if the animation was delayed, you see it blended all together perfectly well. So these are one of the easiest way for you to delay the animation, because after applying the animation, you'll see all options here within the duration and delay. You see, it works together, right? This option lets you set when the animation starts after the previous action. Now, once you are happy with this delayed animation, you might want to click on the upper right corner where you can see the download option. You can download on these formats or click on share. If you want to share this amazing delayed animation to your client, just click the copy link right here. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.